Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about dung cakes. Dung cakes are made from animal manure, typically from cows or buffaloes, and dried and shaped in a dung round cake size, and that has been used from years, from old time in all parts of the world, and still they are used in present era. There are some benefits and drawbacks of using dung cakes. So first of all I will talk about the benefits of using dung cakes, and after that I will talk about the drawbacks. So first benefit is that dung cakes are used as a source of fuel, alternative source of fuel, especially in rural areas where the other sources of fuels are limited. So this is the cheap source of fuel, and people use to burn dung cakes to bake their things at homes. Another benefit that dung cakes are used to fertilize your lands, especially when you mix dung with soil, and soil then can produce good crop. So this is another good source of using dung cakes to produce better crops for your use in next time. Another third benefit is that in some societies dung cakes are used as a traditional medicines to treat, to heal your body problems or your digestive system. Especially they are used in Hindu societies to treat some body related diseases. So this is another use, and dung cakes are also used to repel the insects. When dung cakes are burnt, they produce smoke, and smoke is good to repel the insects, especially mosquitoes and fleas. So these are 4 benefits of dung cakes. Right now I will talk about the drawbacks of dung cakes. There are some drawbacks, and first drawback is that health risk. When dung cakes are burnt, they produce smoke, and you know that smoke is injurious to health, especially for your respiratory system. So it is injurious to health, the smoke is. Another drawback is that environmental degradation. When dung cakes are used highly, they produce smoke. This is not good for environment, for atmosphere, and this is not good for the soil also. It can become the reason for erosion of soil. So this is another drawback of dung bag. And another drawback is that it is not good for animal welfare. When you produce a lot of dung cakes to sell, then you will try to get more animals, and the real reason of using the animals, the purpose of using the animals in rural areas or at any place will not be the better, because you are using animals to sell the dungs cakes, not for other users. So their other users will be limited. So this is another drawback of using dung cakes. And socio-economic problems are also related to these dung cakes, because when you use this cheap source of energy, the other modern sources of energy, people will not take benefit from those sources, and the people related to those modern energy systems, they will be, I think that you can say that they will not get work, and they will be jobless. So new modern source of energy will be limited by using the cheap system of these dung cakes. So these are some drawbacks and benefits of dung cakes. If you have any other point in your mind, you can give your feedback below in comment box about using these dung cakes. Whether you are at your home, these dung cakes are used or not, you can give your feedback below in comment box so that we could know about the uses of these dung cakes in present era in the whole world. Right now follow me and subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.